Yes, guys, look at that. You know what we're doing today? Well, let me just tell you, we're doing a curry fish today, and these are the ingredients. We have our salt and pepper, we have French thyme, bay leaf, and pimento seed, our curry powder, and onion and garlic powder mixture, and our fish.
Alright guys, so we're going to lightly season the fish. And how we do the curry fish here today, guys, the curry coconut, we can basically do it like a steam vibes.
Yes.
So it's basically a curry coconut steam fish. And remember to season from high so it's evenly spread. Coming back with some salt and pepper again. And we don't need too much because remember we're going to season the liquid and all of that. So I look at onion and garlic powder mixture. Repeat.
Guys, and we've done a curry video before, so if you'd like, you can check out that video just the same. We have a whole seafood playlist.
I think that's the second video since we have started YouTube, so you can go way back then, at about a year ago or more.
Yes, guys, or you can just feel free to check out the playlist, as I said before,
This is the seafood playlist. You'll
yes,
find
guys.
it there.
Get it all in there, not because we're doing curry fish, we want to get everywhere properly seasoned, right?
Look at salt and pepper inside there so as well.
Yes, guys.
And repeat with a little more salt and pepper in this one. So now we're going to put this to rest for 15 to half an hour.
Yes, guys.
And get on with the making of the curry vibes soon forward.
Yes, guys, look at that. Pot is at the right temperature like how we want it. So we're just going to burn some of that curry. Yes, guys, and
Give it a stir.
get this all aromatic and flavorful.
You don't want the curry to burn too much.
To get bitter, you don't want that, you just want it to
Alright, so
burn.
I got all of the spices we just showed you. The pimento.
Yes, guys, pimento, bay leaf, and the French thyme. If you haven't cooked with French thyme before, please do give it a try. Really, yes, chef's kiss.
Now I got the veg.
Yes, guys, so that's some sweet potato and carrot. Guys, the aroma from this curry. Aroma from the curry, guys, it's so amazing. It's a perfume for the kitchen.
Guys, so now I got some julienne onion.
Yes, guys.
I know this is a bit different around here.
What you think we're going to add now?
And guys, I'll come with some fresh garlic.
Yes, guys, get that flavor profile going and bursting nicely. Looking lovely, right?
Some vegetable stock to be with the pot.
Beautiful.
Look at that coming together nicely.
Yes, guys, nice and
So now we're going to
lovely.
mix the remaining curry. We're going to mix it with the coconut milk. And come on, so I'm soon forward again.
So forward. Yes, guys, look at that.
So now we're going to add the coconut milk.
Lovely, right? Rich. Yeah, rich. And guys, we don't want these food to be overcooked. We just want them to be nice and
I'm going to add the
al dente.
remainder curry. I'll let this cook thoroughly before adding the fish.
Yes,
I want the
guys.
food to half cook before adding the fish as well. So as I said before, it's basically a curry steamed fish. Coconut curry steamed fish.
Guys, I don't know why you're not seeing that curry bright, but it's actually there, right? So guys, we're gonna catch you guys back again when these are half cooked, and we're going to add the fish, so we're soon forward.
No, we're not forward yet. Yeah. I don't know why she rushed the video, guys. I don't know why she rushing the video. You forgot about the salt and the pepper.
Oh yes, guys, yes, that's so true. Now is the time where you're going to season the pot, right? So we're just going to add some salt and pepper.
And taste.
Yes, guys, taste to see whatever else you need or whatever else you want to use in it. Remember that you're the one that's going to enjoy this, right?
Alright, ready. So we're going to add some of the Globalist Interaction JA pepper sauce.
Yes, guys, Globalist Interaction JA pepper sauce. We have pepper sauce, we have jerk seasoning, we have spicy chili, sweet and sour. Just check out our page, Globalist Interaction JA. Yes, guys.
Give it another whisk and allow this to simmer. Curry to cook properly and let the veg in it cook halfway. Soon forward.
Yes, guys, look at that. Time to add these fish. Yes, guys. Seeing the curry better now?
The aroma
is a perfume for the kitchen. Yes, guys, so we're going to allow these to cook. We don't want them to break up.
That is why we let the vegetables cook halfway. So when we give it a turn and give it 5 minutes on each side, you know it's ready, because you see have this indulge or submerge or come like a submarine under the hot water right now, or the hot curry sauce. So go and take it in. We're so forward again.
So forward. Yes, guys, it's that time to give it a turn. And look at these nice soft bubbles, right? Beautiful. Lovely. Look at that, man. Looking all scrumptious and delicious. So delicious, guys. So the next time you guys will be seeing us is when these fish are ready and we're getting on with the plating. So ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers for spam up the comment section with so forward. Yes, guys, ready. These fish are ready. Look at that.
You can come over the plating station and take in the bad plating. So forward again.
Let's go. Yes, guys, this is it. Come with a surprise today, right? Just surprise you guys. So this is it. So remember, follow us on Instagram. Pictures will be posted over there. Lovely, right? So
tell me the favorite part of the video. Tell me which part you enjoy the most. You understand? And today we'll make sure surprise. You know, we normally do the plating on camera, but we'll say, yeah, we'll give them a surprise.
Yes.
So this is it. And remember, like up the video, share up the video, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Become a part of the Chef Reid and Chef Alexander family, cooking with Chef Reid and Chef Alexander, and go over King and Ali. Subscribe, become a part of the AK Gang Active Knowledge. So until next time,
bye foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.
Remember, guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?